The current pattern of mismanagement cannot be allowed to persist, given the urgent need for the higher levels of growth and jobs needed by the Jamaican people. As a first step, there must be greater levels of transparency and public accountability in the management of the economy. Specifically, we in the opposition insist that there should be greater transparency in the matter of the granting of discretionary waivers. The agreement to end discretionary waivers entered into by the government of Jamaica with the IMF must be implemented. Second, we call on the government to immediately publish all information related to all waivers granted over the past 18 months, including the amounts involved and to whom the waivers were granted. Third, the government needs to give the reasons for the delays encountered in relation to investment projects that have been announced, including the delays being encountered in the bauxite sector. Fourth, the public sector reform proposals must be referred to the appropriate committee of Parliament for its public consideration immediately. Fifth, the minister should immediately convene a meeting of the Committee on Taxation for it to begin its deliberations on the tax reform proposals. The country can afford no further delays. Tax reform proposals were announced 6 months ago. The committee was appointed a month ago. There is no reason for delay except because of the mismanagement of the government. These are weighty matters that require careful deliberation.